Hey guys, what's up? It's Yvonne. On today's video, we're gonna do a little headlight restoration. The product that we'll be using for that is these little towelettes. I don't know if it works, but we're gonna try it out and you guys can find out with us and see if it works or not. This is not sponsored, I just buy the products like anybody else. So let's go ahead and read the steps, but I'm pretty sure we have to clean them. Yep, we gotta clean it and dry it really good before using the towelettes. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some water and a little bit of soap and just kind of clean it. I mean, it's already coming off. Yeah, it's coming off and it's not even the towelette. Alright guys, so it does come with the step 1 and step 2. So we're going to be using that. Alright, so the little towelette looks something like this. I think you keep it folded and then you scrub it horizontal. So we're going to just firmly scrub like this. And try not to get it on the car. Ooh. Alright, so continue to do that all over the headlight. Alright guys, so before I put the shine, it did leave a little dry spots, but the yellow is pretty much gone. So let's do the shine. Here's the before. You could see a little bit. Doesn't show it as much as on camera as in person, but this one's really yellow. Okay, step 2. Alright guys, so they look pretty shiny. You're not supposed to touch them until 3 hours go by and it's completely dry. But I did notice, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's like a little bit scratched or oxidized. I don't know, but it didn't clean that little area. But other than that, it looks pretty good. So we're just gonna repeat the process. So we're gonna do the horizontal scraping again. Oh wow, it does really work. I could see it up close. Like I said, you can't really see it on the camera, but it's working. Alright, now we're gonna put the shine. So you do this one for like about 2 minutes, just back and forth. Firm pressure as well. And remember not to touch it until it fully dries. It says probably like within 3 hours. So this one didn't leave that little streak. Maybe the other one's like messed up on the inside or something, because in here I could see some little bubbles through the inside. Alright, so I think we're done here. Now we're just gonna let it dry and come back and see the results. So yeah, it looks pretty good. We're gonna let these dry and come back. This one looks about dry. Oh, and that's actually going away. Wow. Pretty cool. I was keeping an eye on this other headlight, and I guess that's what it does in the process. I don't know if you guys could see that right there, but it's all like fogged up here. Because on this other one, those lines, those streaks are actually coming off. There's just a little bit right there. You guys can't really see it. Okay, right there. Right there. But yeah, guys, I think we're gonna be looking into trying to remove the headlight so we could see if we could fix this. I'm pretty sure it's just some screws that need to go on there, because where it should go, that's where it should go, but I'm pretty sure it's just screws, like I said. Alright guys, I'm back. I think the headlights are pretty much dried. The product basically did its job, so let's go take a final look. Comment down below if you guys would use this product, or if it didn't do the job. Just comment down below, let me know. But yeah, let's go take a final look. Alright guys, so here is a final look. They look pretty shiny. Like I said, maybe the fog is in the inside of the headlight, but I mean, it looks really good. Looks really, really good to me. One more time. It's shiny. It's a little foggy on the inside. Here's a close-up and different angles to see if you guys see anything. Like I said, I see the fog in the inside. Hey guys! And here's the other one. A really good close-up. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later! Guys, so the product didn't work, or I did something wrong. Look. Look. Can you guys see that? Tell me you could see that. They are foggy. Foggy, foggy. I don't know if you could see it. But guys, I don't know. It is time for new headlights now. Help your girl out.